Welcome to Hemry Exports. In this episode, we will show you the weaving process of bar mops. Warping process, winding the warp yarn, from the bobbin, to the warping drum. Weft yarn preparation for shuttle. This is the yarn shuttle, which is used in power looms, where bar mops are weaving in power looms. After weaving, quality controller checks and measures the final product. Weighing process. After weighing process, shifted to warehouse for delivery. For orders and details, contact us.